Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. My dear students, in the previous video, we have revised our chapter 1 Introduction to Computers, and we have completed up to output devices, and we have also completed secondary storage devices. Now we are going to continue our revision. Look at on your page number 14, which is shown your screen. Hardware and software. What is hardware and software? For the proper functioning of the computer, we know that we need two essential parts. What are they? The parts are, first one is hardware and second one is software. Now we are going to study about software. Here software refers to the physical parts of the computer. We can touch and hold these devices. They can be placed inside or outside of the computer. Here hardware refers to the physical part of the computer. We can touch hardware, like for example keyboard, mouse, we can touch these devices. Here they can be means hardware can be placed inside or outside of the computer. Some examples of hardware devices are keyboard. You can see pictures are shown on your screen. Keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU and hard disk. These are the some examples of hardware. First point, hardware refers physical part of the computer. Second point, we can touch and hold these devices, and third point, they can be placed inside or outside of the computer. Okay, this is about hardware. Now next one is software. A software cannot work only with hardware. It needs two instructions which is given by the hardware. Means a computer cannot work only with hardware. It needs to be given instructions, and those set of instructions given to the computer to do any work are called software or program. For example, these can be touched. These cannot be touched. Software cannot be touched, but we can touch the hardware. Here these cannot be touched. They are stored in storage devices. For example, you can see, look at the pictures which is shown on your page number 15. Here some example of software are MS Paint, TuxPaint, WordPad, Windows, etc. These are the example of software, and we also know that they are stored in storage devices. First point of software is a computer cannot work with only with hardware, and second, it needs to be given instructions, and we know that these cannot be touched. Software cannot be touched. Okay, they are stored in storage devices, and examples are MS Paint, TuxPaint, WordPad, Windows, etc. These are the examples of software. Now my dear students, types of softwares. Types of software. Here we know that we already studied about the software. There are two types of software. First one is app system software and second one is application software. Now we know that Software can be classified into two categories depending upon the functions they are designed to perform. How many? Two here. First one is system software and second one is application software. The built-in software which controls the overall working of the computer is called system software. Here, my dear students, system software means which controls the all over working of the computer. Which controls the all over working of the computer is called system software. And it manages and controls all the activities happening in the computer system. And no computer can work without the system software. Suppose if MS Paint is not, this software is not in your computer, then how you will paint? You cannot do work without this software system. Like here, the most popular operating system is Windows operating system. Windows operating system. This is the most operating system. Now, next, those softwares of or program which are designed to do a specific type of work are called application software. First one, we have studied that the software which controls all over the working of the computer called system software, but here application software means those software or program which are designed to do a specific type of work are called application software. For example, you can find many application systems in computer, suppose MS Paint, Tux Paint, WordPad and Windows. You can find many application software in a computer. First one, calculator. For what purpose we are using calculator? For performing calculations we need calculator. And WordPad we need for creating documents. And Paint for drawing and coloring. These are some examples of application software. My dear students, we have revised hardware and software. We know that for the proper functioning of the computer, we need two essential parts. First one is hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical part of the computer, and we can touch and hold the devices, and they can be placed inside and outside of the computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU and hard disk. These are the examples of hardware. My dear students, don't be confused. Here you can see pictures are shown on your screen. On page number 14 you can see here that keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU and hard disk. These are the hardwares, part of hardware, and they do physical part of the computer. They are refers to the physical part of the computer. We know that we can touch hardware, not software. We can touch only hardware. Software cannot be touched at all. Okay. And what is the example of software? MS Paint, Tux Paint, WordPad, Windows, etc. These are the examples of software. Now, in software, there are two types of software. First one is system software. Second one is application software. And we have also studied what is system software. We know that system software which controls the all over working of computer is called system software. It manages and control all the activities happening in computer system. And we also know that the most popular operating system is Windows operating system. And what about the application software? We know that software applications are designed to do a specific type of work are called application software. For example, for the calculation, for performing calculation, for calculation we need calculator, and for creating documents we need Wattpad. For drawing and painting and coloring we need paint. They are the some examples of application software. Basically they are software. I hope you all have understood this chapter 1 again in revision very well. Now we are going to start revision of put a tick on the correct option. This is your homework. Which of the following is not an input device? I hope you all are aware of these questions. In previous video I have also explained these exercises. First one, which of the following is not an input devices? Your answer is monitor. Second, which of the following is the processing unit of a computer? We know that CPU. CPU means central processing unit. Third one, what is the physical part of a computer called? We know that physical part means hardware. Physical part means hardware. Now fourth one, dash makes computer programs. So it's easy. Programmer makes computer programs. Now fifth one, dash cannot be seen or felt. Dash cannot be seen or felt. What is it? It is software. We cannot touch and see the or felt the software. Now the next one is the three main units of a computer system consist of. This is the first question of filling the blanks, which is given on page number 16, filling the blanks. First question is, the three main units of a computer system consist of input, processing and output. Second question is, the dash is the brain of a computer. What is it? CPU, central processing unit. The central processing unit is the brain of a computer. Third, a monitor displays the result after computer has processed the output. Only monitor displays. Here monitor displays the result after the computer has processed the input. Fourth question, the physical part of the computer are collectively called its hardware. Fifth one, we cannot touch or hold software. We cannot touch or hold software. Now last one, C, match the followings. You know that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here given devices name, and next side you have to match. Then what is input device here? Input device is scanner. Output device means printer. Storage device means CD, compact disk. Processing unit is CPU, central processing unit. Software is MS Paint. My dear student, this is your homework. I hope you all will revise your homework once again. I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. God bless you.